let's move to 9.7. This is not our the processing a PDF file, but we will try to understand the information within the PDF. We call this metadata. We will try to learn how to view, to get the metadata information through one is the PDF.metadata, the property. Another is through the get document info method. Also, once you can view the data metadata, we also try to see if we change the value of those property, then that means we can update the metadata for PDF. So let's have a look. So first, let's create our folder for the testing. So come to chapter 9, 9.7, metadata. Or let me call that PDF metadata. And what I will try to do is, I don't know this metadata, but I just try to use a public sample, Tesla, the investor, the relations. I got the latest quarter's shareholder deck. You can see here, if I download, that will be our PDF file. So let's do this save. To see what I can get. We can try to load this metadata, have a testing. How long for these documents? 25 page. So it's like our normal, our PowerPoint converted to PDF. So let me save that to our folder. 9.7. So we use this one and just save. And now let's close that. We will try to load those data. So let's close all and create one file. 971. Read. View metadata. PY. So let's just ensure our file is here. So what I want to do is I need to read this file. So I copy the full name for that. So first let's load this file. py pdf2 import pdf reader. We only need the reader. Then let's load reader equal to PDF reader with this file. So I don't know what is behind, so just give this definition for meta is reader's metadata. Then let's print type meta. Then meta. So because metadata is our dictionary, so all of them is our key value chain. So here, string. So I think it's that means it's not finished the load. No such file. Tesla this file. So let's see. Oh yeah, so another reason is I haven't changed our working directory. So 9.7, let's run this again. So document info object has no attribute key, so keys. So I need S. And then now perfect. So now we load this. So you can see the type meta is document information, and they have 16 metadata. So we have the author, content. So always are slash. So all those, and something is just a label with the code name. Okay, if we have that, let's comment this. And we start to print author. Because because here I only got key. So if I use the dictionary's load is now I can see who wrote this Tesla's the document information. Oh, it's Martin Vicha. So that means you are able to read those. Let me come to the file to see if I can, because I don't have the Acrobat installed, but I try to read from, I think it's I have the Foxy. So no. So whether they gave some information. File, preference skins, no. Share, property, so yeah. Security, yeah, author. So now we have this one. So let's put that aside. So that means we have author. Let's see the creator. Creator is Adobe InDesign 14. So let's load that. So you can see here we load this using the Macintosh, so Mac-based, and the producer is also our is a PDF library with the number of the version. So meta.producer and also print metadata.title. So we can see producer is here, title is this quarterly update page. So let's run. Oh, so that is quite commit. So for this one, its pages size are metadata, content type ID, keywords. So is there any others? No, let's see. Title, subject. Do we have the subject? Subject is empty, so I should get our now and get text the company. So company, I don't have that company. So here, do we have the company? No, but let's try print subject print meta.getText. So this dot text company. So the last what was this one? Company get text. Get text is depreciated. So let's see. So in our mind map, I think it's we should work with modify. So get page, extract content. So extract text. So get text. We didn't have that before. So get text is depreciated. Then what? Or maybe it's let me guess. It's get underscore text. It's no attribute for this. So that is the issue. So this one is get text is reader or use the extract text. Not go to this meta. The meta doesn't have this content. So this one is let's delete. I think, but now let's see. I will have the last one is none. So at least those one we have tried is all of those are correct contents. Then let's go to the 7 creator 7972 to update PDF metadata. So I also try to do this. Let's use my test file. So I don't change the original file for this Tesla one. So I go this one, copy here. This is test one. Now let's try to see view. If I VS Code, so later I will do that. So let me comment this and reader equal to PDF test one. I think it's all of those. I didn't input anything, so it just has let's install that layer in the backend. So just have my name, and I use the Microsoft print to PDF, no creator, and this one is original. I think it's tricky. They don't have the correct display on those one. Let's use Foxfit to have a look. So property. So actually it should be Microsoft Word. Oh, what's this means? So, it's, I think it's original file. Let's just double check. Test text. So I think it's that, but it's not recognized. So that's fine. So we got some of these file. Let's do the update. So for the update, let's do from py pdf2 import pdf reader dot comma pdf writer, and we have our reader equal to pdf, our test one pdf. So then is we make the meta is equal to reader metadata. So that is all same as what we did on the earlier one. Then here is the metadata's update. So well, what again is my the hobby is I want to have all those branches, so the parentheses on the different lines, so like this. So I try to prevent these two, the open parentheses and curly braces in the same line. Just ensure is for the dictionary. If you read those keys, so all those keys are having started by a hyphen, this slash. So again, so this one, let's see, author is my name. So let me change that to Yasen. So let's do this. So author, like a dictionary. So let's see Yasen, and just change this first. Let's ensure so we are doing the correct part. So we make our right, and for page in reader dot pages. So we will do is writer dot add page. So this one is in the new version, and the writer add metadata. So this is our updated command. So meta, and then the with open. So this one is the same. So 972 with a new file with WB mode SF, and then writer.writeF. So let's try to see we generate this one. Let's open this. I only update the author. So now author, you can see here is compared to the earlier is Xiaoqi. So let's the title is the tricky part. Let's directly change title. So my testing PDF file. So let me run. Oh, I should reopen, I suppose. So let's do this, reopen, open with this one, and file property. Oh, it's not changed title. So let's see. So title, what's the issue? So it's just because I opened that by another file. So also here, permission error, so I didn't realize this. So now I closed that, and now it's open. So it's like if you want to change something in Word, you need to close the Word application. So that's the issue is the interlock. So now my testing PDF file. So that is just easy. So you can keep adding the all others and that is the way. Is we have a total. I think it's from here. You can read. We have total 16 different dictionary element. All of them you can do the update through this way. So that is the metadata. So if you forgot to make the correct author or metadata setting when you create a PDF file, you can use this way to update. Then you have the proper metadata information that you can then share your PDF file. Okay, thanks for this videos watching. Next video, we will go to some protection of the PDF file, the encryption, decryption part. See you then. Stay tuned.